Okay, here you go.
It's latched.
Bring her up, boys. Bring her up.
Oh! Look.
Oh my God.
Hey! Yeah.
Keep pulling, I want to see how big it is.
So yeah, this is a big piece of rebar. We're gonna try and get it over the rail. Yep. Great big dog, see if he can give us a hand.
There's gonna be rock here. I got something on here, but you're gonna have to get out and lift up because there's a big rock there. Oh, it just popped off.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? No way. Yes. Yes. Oh.
Oh, we got a side. Oh,
Sure
God.
do.
Okay, here you go.
It's latched.
Bring her up, boys. Bring her up.
Oh.
Heavy.
What
I mean,
is
heavy.
that?
I have no clue what this is. Solid steel, number one.
That is heavy.
It looks like a shaft or something.
Oh, you got it on the top.
Yeah, that's definitely a J-bar.
That's what it is. We gotta pull it up here slow and get a hold of that thing. So, oh.
Yeah, Gizzard and Big Dog doing this.
You want yours.
All right.
Grab it.
Bring it up.
Holy crud.
There it is.
Oh, that thing is heavy.
Oh, it's got to be over 100 pounds.
Oh, look at the slime on there too.
Wow. All right, so Jaws by Kratos, the clamp magnet, has caught us.
It looks like a garden stake inside of a pipe.
Like a signpost.
Almost, yeah.
This thing's huge.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah, and you caught that with the clamp. Nice. That's the Kratos clamp, aka Jaws. Nice job.
Hold off. There you go. Yes.
Oops. I got more rebar here. This one's not as big.
Well,
Let's see if we can get this off here. Oh, a lot of rebar. Woo! Wasn't as heavy as the other one, but...
wait a minute, look. It's a really big booger. Oh my God.